We're here at a project that we were awarded down in Southwest Virginia. The scope of the work down here is replacing 8 765 kV transformers, adding 3 765 kV breakers, and refurbishing the 765 kV yard. We're also rebuilding the 138 kV station, and we have built a brand new 500 kV yard here. One of the most special things about this site is just the sheer size of it. Our crew size here with our subcontractors has peaked over 80 men at a given time several times throughout the life cycle of the project. So the logistics behind what we're doing here is very complex, making sure that not just our crews, but our clients' crews and all of our subs are working together as one unit to complete the project. One of the biggest hurdles out here has been our below-grade subsurface issues. Our field management and our subcontractors were able to act quickly with the client to fulfill the needs of the subsurface problems that we were running into. One of the key elements here on the site is our field leadership. They really make sure that the subcontractors are managed in an effective manner. They make sure that they're operating safe and operating in a manner that is fitting to New River's safety culture. That we've worked over 120,000 man-hours with 0 OSHA recordables on this job site. That really speaks volumes to the in and out, everyday safety culture that not just our leadership has, but every staff member of New River. Safety numbers, our quality of work, and the ability to accomplish any given project is really in part to our staff members on the field working day in and day out. From our groundmen to our foremen, they are the people who get the job done safely and efficiently every day.